Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To start, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. First, turn off your Dyson V10 and unplug it from any charging source. This is crucial for your safety. Next, look for the screws located at the base of the vacuum cleaner. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. There are usually 3 screws that need to be taken out. Make sure to place them in a safe location so you don't lose them. Once the screws are removed, gently pry off the battery cover using your flathead screwdriver. Be cautious not to damage any clips during this process. With the cover removed, you will see the battery compartment. Take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside the compartment with a soft cloth. This can help with the performance of your new battery. Now, it's time to disconnect the old battery. Locate the connector and carefully pull it out. If you're having difficulty, you can use the flathead screwdriver to help loosen the connection. After disconnecting it, take out the old battery. Before installing the new battery, check that it's compatible with your Dyson V10. If you don't have the tools or the time to do this yourself, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy to get your vacuum serviced without any hassle. Once you have your new battery, connect it to the compartment by lining up the connector and pushing it in firmly. Make sure it's secure. Then, place the new battery into the compartment. Now, it's time to reattach the battery cover. Align it properly and press down until it clicks into place. After that, take your Phillips screwdriver and reinsert the screws you previously removed. Tighten them carefully, ensuring the cover is secure but not over-tightened, which could damage the plastic. Finally, give the vacuum a quick cleanup on the exterior to ensure it's ready for use. Your Dyson V10 should now be ready to go. Always remember, if you need professional help, we provide a quote before repair and no calls, no travel, making it convenient for you to maintain your vacuum. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.